Is your ZTE Wi-Fi router giving you troubles with no internet access? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people wonder how to fix ZTE Wi-Fi router no internet access issues without spending hours troubleshooting. In this guide, we'll walk you through a few effective steps you can take to get your internet connection back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check basic connections and power cycle. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start with the basics. Ensure all cables are securely connected, including the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and any connections to the modem. Unplug the router and wait for a minute before plugging it back in. This simple power cycle can often resolve temporary glitches blocking your internet access. Once the router reboots, check if the internet is accessible. Step 2. Verify internet status. Next, verify the status of your internet connection. Log into the router's web interface using the IP address provided in the manual. Commonly, it's 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Use the default username and password unless you've changed it. Once inside the settings, look for the internet status. If it reads disconnected, initiate a manual reconnect. For persistent issues, consider using the diagnostic or repair tool that some ZTE routers offer. Step 3. Firmware update. Firmware updates can fix bugs and improve router performance. Go to the Maintenance or Systems section of the router interface to check for available firmware updates. Follow the instructions carefully to download and install the update. Remember that during the update, the router may reboot several times and internet access will be temporarily suspended. Step 4. Check for network conflicts. Sometimes IP conflicts within your network can cause connectivity issues. Check whether your router is set to assign IP addresses automatically via DHCP. Under the LAN setup section, ensure the DHCP server is enabled. If you have multiple devices, make sure none of them have static IP addresses that might be clashing with the router's DHCP range. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, consider resetting the router to its factory settings. Warning: this will erase all custom settings, including network name, SSID, and passwords. Locate the reset button, usually a small recessed button on the back of your router. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for about 10 seconds. The router will reboot and you'll need to set it up from scratch. Step 6. Contact your ISP. If you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing issues, there may be an outage or service problem on your ISP's end. Contact them to confirm whether there's a wider connectivity issue affecting your service. Additionally, they may have specific steps for troubleshooting your model of ZTE router that can assist in diagnosing the problem. Fixing a ZTE Wi-Fi router no internet access issue doesn't need to be overwhelming. By following these steps, checking basic connections, verifying internet status, updating firmware, resolving network conflicts, and resetting if necessary, you should be well on your way to a stable connection. Always prioritize basic checks and updates before diving into more advanced troubleshooting or seeking professional help. Don't forget to reach out to your ISP when needed. Stay connected and keep browsing smoothly with these helpful strategies.